We just got this really awesome full-length mirror. So I really like this. It is a really big mirror, but the thing that I really like about it is that we have these metal edges that stick out a little bit further than the mirror itself, so I don't have to worry about it getting broken as easily or things running into it as easily. This could be great as a full-length mirror this way. It can also be hung horizontally, so you could be using it above a vanity or anything like that, really. We have kind of a squished little space in our master bathroom, but we wanted to really open up the space and make everything look bigger, and this is a great way to do that. So it has a really great look to it. Everything looks really awesome. It's not distorted at all, and it was really easy to hang. So I'm also going to show you a little video of hanging it. It has the French clip style hangers, and so those are really easy to install. I'll give you a little demonstration of that. But we are super happy with this mirror. It looks really awesome, and it was really easy to put up. So a great mirror to have, great metal edges, and a really nice undistorted look. I'll give you a little bit of a close-up view of these edges and this extra little lip here that makes it an even better mirror. So as you can see here, we have these little edges, and they have about a 1/2 inch or so from the edge of the metal to the mirror itself, which is going to help make sure that our mirror stays safe and doesn't get broken easily. We got the black finish, which really matches the other decorations in our master bathroom area. So this is a great mirror, and we are super happy with this. I'm really happy that it came along with this guide so that we can actually just tape this up to the wall in a nice level position and then drill our holes. We also have wall anchors that came along with it. There's 2 different types of wall anchors depending on the type of wall that you have. And then these are the pieces, the brackets that we're going to be screwing onto the wall. These are really great because they're really easy to put on, super easy to line everything up, and then your mirror just hangs on top of it. So it's a really easy installation process. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. As you can see here, we just worked together to make sure that we had our guide level. And once we had our guide level, we were able to tape it onto the wall. After we taped it onto the wall, all we needed to do was go ahead and use a drill to drill into the guide holes that we needed. And then once we had the guide holes drilled, we were able to add the French clips and just put the wall anchors and then the screws into those French clips. So really easy to do, didn't take a lot of time, and we were able to do it just the 2 of us together. Once we had the French clips on, all we had to do was line up the mirror just above the clips and then gently slide it down the wall so that we could hook it into place on the clips. This is a really easy to install mirror, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out.